Hi everyone, I'm Tom.
And I'm Nana. Welcome to episode 3 of The Home Date.
Every video, we walk you through cooking a complete meal for a dinner date at home, usually consisting of 3 courses.
If you want to see more dinner recipes, please subscribe to our channel.
Tonight we're cooking up an easy and quick Japanese dinner.
Tonight's dinner date menu starts off with spicy garlic edamame.
The main dish is pan-seared Sesame Crusted Ahi Tuna steaks.
Our sides are white and wild rice.
Sauteed cucumbers.
Dessert is coffee jelly with whipped cream.
For wine, we'd recommend a dry red like a Pino Noir. For a full list of ingredients, shopping list, and more, visit the blog post linked in the description below. We'll need to do some prep the night before.
Start brewing some coffee for coffee jelly dessert. We are using a mocha pot and diluting it to make 2 cups. Use whatever coffee brewing method you normally use to make 2 cups of black coffee.
If your ahi tuna steaks are frozen, move them to the refrigerator to start defrosting.
Empty 2 packets of unflavored gelatin into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of water to moisten.
Place the wild rice in a bowl and cover it with cold water. Cover and refrigerate it until we cook it tomorrow. This will greatly reduce the time the wild rice needs to cook.
After your coffee has brewed, add the sugar to the gelatin. Pour the hot coffee into the bowl. Then whisk the mixture until all the gelatin is dissolved.
Pour the coffee jelly mix into your molds, or even just plain coffee cups if you don't have molds. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate. It will take a few hours for the coffee jelly to set. Plan to start cooking around 15 minutes before your date arrives. Take the tuna out of the fridge so it starts to come up to room temperature.
Boil the water for wild rice. Add the rice. Cover and simmer.
We're having a spicy mayo with the tuna. In a small bowl, mix the mayo, sesame oil, chili paste, and lime juice together and set aside.
Start prepping your other ingredients.
Dice up some hot peppers of your choice.
Cut your cucumbers into quarters. Then cut them diagonally in half so that they make little spears.
Steam the edamame in the bag according to the directions.
Start sauteing some minced garlic in sesame oil until fragrant and lightly browned.
Then add the garlic to a bowl, along with the soy sauce.
Then add the chili paste and mayo and mix it all together.
When the edamame is ready, add a half cup of water in the microwave to boil. Then open the bag and mix the edamame with the sauce. Add the boiled water and white rice to the wild rice. Return to a boil and simmer for another 15 minutes.
When your date arrives, serve them a plate of edamame.
And pour the wine. You get an empty plate because I guess you're a terrible person that doesn't deserve to eat until dinner is ready, right?
Oh my god! Not exactly. The only edible part of this dish are the beans. The empty plate is just for discarding the shell. These are pretty good.
Try to pull yourself away from the edamame long enough to finish up the rest of the food.
Place a large pan on a medium-high heat. Add the canola oil. And start sauteing the cucumbers.
Start to prep the tuna.
Mix the white and black sesame seeds.
Then press each side of the tuna steak in the sesame seeds.
It helps to shake the plate to redistribute the sesame seeds after each side.
After the cucumbers start to brown a bit, add the diced chili peppers and cook for another minute.
Add the minced garlic.
then the soy sauce.
At this point, you want to start getting a pan hot for the tuna.
Add oil to the hot pan and place each tuna steak down gently and let it sear. Some people like a very light sear that only cooks about an 1/8 inch band around the tuna, but I like it a little more than that. I'll cook it a minute on the 2 main sides and then about 45 seconds on the edges. So guys, while we're watching the tuna sear, we just want to say thank you for spending your time cooking with us. We're still figuring things out, so please leave a comment and let us know what you liked and what you didn't like. Mostly what you liked. Any input would be greatly appreciated. When you have your own dinner date, let us know how it turned out. Don't forget, more details and instructions are in the blog post linked in the description. Add the sesame oil to the cucumbers.
At the very end, add the basil. With the tuna done, we can start plating our dishes.
We use the cup measure to form a nice round of rice on the plate.
Next, add the cucumbers to the plate.
Carefully slice up the tuna.
Smear a little bit of chili mayo on each plate.
Then add the sliced tuna on top of the sauce. These were very big 8-ounce steaks, so we only used some of each center portion and saved the rest for another time.
After you're done eating the main dish, place the coffee jelly molds in warm water for a couple of seconds to help release them.
Flip them over on a plate and shake until the coffee jelly comes out of the mold, or until your date gets tired of watching you shake, which hopefully doesn't come first.
Bunny, come on! Whisk up some heavy cream with sugar to make whipped cream.
Top your coffee jelly with the whipped cream and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe.
And click on the notification bell to see the next one.
We're going to try to make at least one new video a month. If you wind up making this dinner yourself, please leave a comment here or send us a picture on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram.
Make sure you tag us so we can see it.